Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
How easy would it be to learn to play an instrument without a teacher?
I think it was quite impossible in the pre-internet era. However, the online courses and the interactive video tutorials make it a bit easier to learn to play a musical instrument like a guitar or a drum without the direct supervision of a mentor these days. Nevertheless, having a teacher is tremendously beneficial as he or she inspires to learn and can be a role model for mastering the skills of playing a musical instrument. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.